So, good day everyone. We are the Group 6 and this is our video presentation for paraphernalia we use in selling our products. So this is our products, the Combo Tabay, which contains a peach mango turon, cheese steaks, chocolate steaks, alongside with a flavorful juice. So our product goals is to provide and offer affordable snacks to customers during the Palaro week and to let other students taste the products and experience the delightness from within. So this is how we produce our products. So we carefully select and gather all the ingredients and materials in order to produce quality output. So the ingredients bought by the best and affordable quality that are available in the market. So these are the documentation in how we make our products. So as you can see. So in our price, we concluded to the total of our expense by producing the products. So we choose to sell in low price in order to gather more customers. We know that we can get a low profit but high frequency of customers. So therefore, there's a fast income. So this is the paraphernalia we use in selling our products. So in print media, we make a stickers which contains the name of our product and the price. So every time the customers buy our products, so we give them the stickers. So in the second one is our flyers. And it also contains our name of our products, the price, the contact numbers, and the location. So next paraphernalia we use is in social media, which we make a Facebook page. So in our page is we post all the process how we make our products from step 1 to the final output. And also we make some reels so that other customers will be informed. So in selling our products, there's a challenges we face. So first is the competition. So we faced competition against well-structured and already successful business that are similar to the entrepreneur's products. So for example, our products, which is the Combo Tabay. So our product is very common. So we expect that there's a lot of competitors we faced. So next is the challenges in selling the products to the public due to customer preferences. Not all students might prefer the products over the others. And also the area location. Due to the policy that students cannot plant a stall anywhere, student entrepreneurs has no choice but to join other competitors in the same vote provided, and it causes to provoke much harder customers attraction. So despite all the challenges we face, there's also an advantage. So we stay determined and motivated to sell the products we produce, optimization of the marketing strategies in order to cope up with the challenges. And thanks to the customers that are already friends with the entrepreneurs, they are the top customers and the first to taste the products that we are selling. And despite the challenges, we entrepreneurs successfully sold the products and gained even the small amount of profit. And lastly, the documentation in selling our products. Thank you. That's all.